The e-learning center at Prince Sultan University presents this tutorial on exporting and importing Moodle question banks. Firstly, open the course page containing the question bank. Next, click More, then select Question Bank from the drop-down menu. Then, on the question bank page, select Export from the drop-down menu. After that, under File Format, select Moodle XML format if you plan to import the question bank into another course. Subsequently, under General, select the category you want to export. To export the entire question bank, place all categories under a single category as subcategories. Finally, click Export Questions to File. The file will automatically download to your computer. Firstly, open the course page where you want to import the question bank. Next, click More, then select Question Bank from the drop-down menu. Then, on the question bank page, select Import from the drop-down menu. After that, under File Format, select the format of the file you are importing, in this case, Moodle XML format. Subsequently, under Import Question File, upload the file downloaded in Step 1. Finally, click Import. The question bank will now be imported into your course. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching. Please don't hesitate to contact us for further support.